Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And this video I'm going to show you how you can create and post a private TikTok. To create a TikTok, all you have to do is just click on either upload from gallery or click on this recording button. And now you have to click on tick mark and you have to click on privacy settings. And you have to make it to only me post it as private. After that, you have to just go and click on next. As you can see, you can adjust your settings. Now, as you can see, when I posted it and I go to my profile, as you can see, it is in this locked icon, which shows that it's private. Make it public again, you have to click on those three dots again, and you have to scroll to the right and click on privacy settings, and you have to change that only me to everyone. As you can see, now my video will go from this lock button to the left one, which shows that it is a public video. So that's it for the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.